Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Then you need to install this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to mute the music, click on the bottom left corner. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Over here, select Settings at the top and choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. Now you can adjust all of those options however you want to. And then click on the top right corner. Now bottom one again. This time though, click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Choose Set Wallpaper and pick home screen or home screen and lock screen. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!